This 2024 East to West Alita 23 Takas is a Class C RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, slide-out, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab. This 2024 East to West Alita 23 Takas is built on a 350 AWD Ford Transit chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.